Hey, it's Chris Johnstone, and this is the Coles Notes version of the 1 hour presentation that you registered for. I know you weren't able to attend the whole thing, so I'm figuring that you're so busy in your mortgage business, an hour is too long to tell whether or not Facebook ads are right for you. So this is actually a scout book, and what I do with these is every time I read a really good book, I write down kind of like the top takeaways that I get from it. It's like 20 pages long or whatever, they're blank, and I just write down my top things that I get from that book. And then every year when I revisit my top business books like Think and Grow Rich and those sorts of things, rather than reading the whole book again, what I'll do is I'll pull out my little scout book and just get the top tips. That's what this presentation is for you, because I know you're busy. So basically, here's what we went through in the presentation, super condensed so that you can get the most value possible. On Facebook, there is everybody targeting just mortgage interests or real estate interests on Facebook. That is a big pie. In that pie, there are these little slivers of very high quality borrowers that everybody is basically like just randomly hitting. And there's a strategy that you can use to just narrow in on that very profitable traffic. What you do is you run a campaign that targets the mortgage interest, but what you do is you run 4 ad sets at the same time. What it does is it forces Facebook to show your ads to all of the different slivers of traffic so that you can identify the one that has the very high quality leads in it. You turn off all the ones that don't work and you scale the ones that do. I put $28,320.11 into a split test to teach you that strategy, and it works exceptionally well. You can do it with a very small budget, as little as like $10 or $15 a day in order to get that high quality traffic. Now, the second thing that you need to do is qualify that high quality traffic with an opt-in offer that's going to repel low-quality leads and actually qualify the lead before you talk to them, right? So that high-quality traffic sees a good ad for what's called a mortgage bot. If you don't know what a chat bot is, it's an automated messenger conversation that happens on Facebook Messenger. And what we do is we have the loan application discussion with your lead before we ask them for their name, their phone number, or their email address. So things like, how much are you looking to borrow? Have you ever been bankrupt before? What area are you looking to borrow in? All the questions that you would ask somebody to qualify them, the chat bot automatically asks them to them. And the lead knows that it's automated. They like the process because there's no high pressure sales to it. It's just telling them what we need to know in order to tell them what they're going to get qualified at as far as a rate. So by the time we get to asking them for their name, their phone number, and their email, they have to be interested in a mortgage because they've just answered all of these really in-depth, crazy questions about getting qualified for a mortgage. And you can see here, this is one of our campaigns that's running the chatbot. It's had $5,807.91 invested in traffic. That generated 1,049 leads at $5.54 per conversation that the bot is automatically having with those people. What we're finding is that roughly 5% of the leads that we generate are funding into deals. That's over like a 6-month period of tracking that. So we pocket this little sliver of high quality people inside your Facebook advertising account. Then we use the bot to repel all the low quality leads, just bring in people. And when you look at them, you know what their credit scenario is going to be. And then we use this system called Agent Legend LO to follow up with them. And that system sends ringless voicemails, text messages, and emails just to create a relationship with that person. It's not like a heavy pitch machine or whatever. But over time, we've been able to figure out when to send messages to create a bond with that prospect and have them actually respond. So roughly 40% of the leads that we're putting into that system are actually replying back, right? And I mean, there's a couple of conversations here. This follow-up happens without you having to do anything. You never have to follow up on another lead again. No more cold calling, no more chasing leads. It just sits in the background, churns through your database, and when a lead is ready to close a loan with you, they just reach out via text message or they just call you directly. And they're actually like very polite, like, hey, I'm available now. So this is how it works. A lead comes in, they get a ringless voicemail. It's your voice. You read a script that we have for you that we already know is going to generate a good response. That goes out, then there's a text message, then there's an email that goes out after that. You can even add bomb videos. We just added that integration to the system. Now, this is through Agent Legend LO, where we approached Agent Legend and had them create a loan officer version specifically for us just to follow up with the leads. And that's really important because it can follow up on Zillow leads, Boomtown leads, Commission Inc. leads, and we have scripts and processes for every single type of lead. And the system you can integrate with our package that we have that I'm going to tell you about here in just a second. You can connect all of those different lead sources to it for no additional charge, which is phenomenal. Now, the other thing that we're finding is that because the quality of communication is so good with these people, they remember you, they know you, they like you, they trust you. Even though it's all automated, there's still that quality of communication. And what we're finding is that people are reaching back through Messenger like months later after opting in and saying, hey, I'm ready to purchase a home now, please contact me. And you just simply call them, take the app, and they're ready to do business with you. They feel like they already know you, right? Even though you haven't had to do anything. For you, it's technically the first time you've ever even seen this person's name. You just call them and convert them, right? Or they call you and convert. So basically the benefits of having all three of these things, the high quality traffic, the bot or the opt-in, that's replaced lead generation pages, that actually qualifies the lead through the process, and then the follow-up system, you get high-quality leads that are pre-qualifying themselves. Automated lead flow, automated follow-up calls that actually create a good relationship, and you never have to cold call or chase another lead for you. Now, my team will build this for you. So if you go to chatbotmortgages.com, we'll build everything for you. Now, the regular price for this is $2,000 for the setup, and then 30 days later, it's $1,500 per month. Now, that is a phenomenal value because if you go to Google and just type in chatbot price, there are agencies out there charging $30,000 just to build the bot. That doesn't include Facebook setup or Facebook management. It doesn't include a follow-up CRM to convert the leads. That's just for the bot. I know there are mortgage-specific bots out there where you can go out and search for them, and they're anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 just to buy the bot. With this system, you're getting everything set up on Facebook and managed for you so that you know you're going to get that high-quality traffic. You're getting the ManyChat account and the bot all built for you. You own it, right? And you're getting Agent Legend LO with all of the follow-up sequences, and your account manager gets on the phone with you and walks you through the process of recording the voicemails. We write all the text messages for you. We write all the emails out for you. It's a phenomenal value at $2,000. I mean, if you just look at the time that you would invest just figuring out all of those different systems, it's crazy. I mean, there's information programs out there that just teach Facebook ads on Udemy for $3,000 just for the information on how to do this. In this program, you get it all built for you for less than what people are charging just for the information on how to do this stuff. And because you registered for the training, I know that you need this, okay? You couldn't go through the whole thing, so I know you're too busy to actually go out and implement this on your own. This is the best solution for you to close funded mortgages from Facebook traffic. It is the whole thing. The traffic, the conversion, and the follow-up to turn them into inbound phone calls. It's an amazing value, and today you can get it for just $14.97. That includes the first 30 days, and then after that, it's just $9.97 per month. That includes the management of your Facebook campaign, the chatbot, and the subscription to the chatbot service, and the Agent Legend LO fee, which includes all the ringless voicemails, all the text messages, and all the emails. Everything is packaged together. There's no additional fees except for the money that you're going to invest into Facebook ads. It's a phenomenal value. So you're getting a custom-built Facebook traffic machine with database targeting, lookalike targeting, and our 100% unique custom targeting. You get all the ad creatives, the ad copy, the split testing, the optimization, the reporting, and the accountability. Your account manager is going to get with you once a month and say, okay, here's what happened with your investment in traffic. Here's how much per click. Here's how many people came through the funnel. Then here's how much you paid per lead. Here's how many people came through your chat bot and your conversion sequence. And here's how many people responded back from Agent Legend LO. Here's how many phone calls you got. Here's how many text messages you got. How many applications did you take as a result? And how many of those deals are funding. And we help you track your ROI over time because there is an ROI. We want you to see the results from the system. It's almost like the entire opposite of what you normally get with somebody who's running an advertising account for you, right? Again, we only work in the mortgage industry right now, and we know how to get you a result. So we want to demonstrate to you the results that you're getting in your business. So you get the ManyChat account, everything that comes with Agent Legend LO. You get our proven campaign, so you don't have to mess around with it. We even do all the copywriting for you, and you get a dedicated account manager that you can talk to. So you can just call our 1-800 number, dial their extension, talk to your account manager. We are here. We're all North American based. We don't outsource anything to another company. It is us working with you to get you results in your mortgage business. And I've got some bonuses for you. So there's a private Facebook group. I'm in there. Carl White is in there. Scott Hudspeth is in there. And we're all giving you strategies on how to grow and scale your mortgage business. It's a phenomenal value. I can't wait to have you in there. Then we do bi-weekly trainings to help you on converting more of your leads, structuring your mortgage business, just making sure that you're growing and that you're really getting the best out of this system. And then we're teaming you with a dedicated account manager. So it's not like you call in and you talk to somebody different every time and they're like, oh, hey, let me look up the notes on your account. Come on. They actually know who you are. They are responsible for your success. So we pair you with that person, and you get a 30 to 45 minute intake call where they take all of the information that we need in order to build everything for you. It takes us about 14 days to build everything, and then we send you back a compliance package. That compliance package is for you to send to compliance to get this thing done, right? Now, oftentimes we'll have people come to us and they'll say, oh yeah, I sent something to compliance 2 months ago. I haven't heard back. That's why I'm not running Facebook ads. We work with compliance departments every single day, and we know that there are specific things that they're looking for. So we have this packaging process where we package together your account and send it to compliance with all the things that we already know that they want. Typically, our turnaround time is less than 5 days dealing with a compliance department. It is phenomenal. So if you've struggled with that, we have the answer. The next thing that you're getting, the second bonus that I'm including, is full Zillow, Boomtown, commissions, whatever lead generation service it is that you may be using, that you're getting leads from, or if you've got co-marketing agreements with other realtors out there, we're going to set up all of the integrations with those systems to bring the leads into your new Agent Legend LO account for no additional fee. Okay, so all of those leads, we have pre-done templates to actually follow up on them and convert them for you. So you can take all those Zillow leads that you're potentially chasing on your own, or you're trying to figure out some other CRM system for them. We got you. We already know that we've got a process that'll get roughly 40% of those leads to respond back to you as a result of going into that funnel. We're going to set it all up for you for free as a bonus of buying the system. That in itself is worth the $2,000 investment that you're getting for just $14.97 today, which is crazy. The other thing that I'm giving you is my Irresistible Influence offer campaign. This is a Facebook advertising campaign that you can launch in your local marketplace to attract very high quality realtors that are struggling with following up with the leads that they're already paying for. What are we giving them? We're giving them the Agent Legend LO system that you can then give to us, and we do all the work. So you can go to any partner in the marketplace and say, hey, I'll help you convert your leads. I don't want a handout. I don't want you to send me any referrals. Just give me the old leads that you're not doing anything with right now. I'll convert them for you and I'll give them back. That's how I'm going to prove to you that I can help you grow your business. It is a phenomenal way to open up relationships with very high tier real estate partners, and it's an irresistible offer where it's almost like it's detrimental to them to say no, and you get to just cherry pick the deals that are sitting in that database that are just going stagnant right now. It's amazing. I know that you're absolutely going to love this. So I've come up with an absolutely ridiculous guarantee. If you follow Dan Kennedy at all, he says that you have to have an absolute no-brainer guarantee. So when people get to this point, they say, okay, well, I have to do it. I have to try it. Now, in order to make that work, you have to have an offer that is absolutely irresistible, which this is. I know how to get results in your mortgage business. I know how to drive clients from the internet for you. All I need for you is to give us the opportunity to prove ourselves to you. Okay, so in order to get you to go to chatbotmortgages.com and invest the $14.97, which is less than the cost of just one deal, I'm backing the whole thing for you, so there's absolutely no risk. So if you're not 100% satisfied, you keep all of the campaigns and the bonuses. So think about that for a second. I will set up absolutely everything inside your Facebook account. You get the ads, you get the ad set targeting strategy, all of the copy, all of the images, everything built inside your Facebook account. You get a ManyChat account set up with a mortgage chat bot built into it, integrated with your Facebook ads account, which means we have to take the JSON code, take that, put it into the ads manager, integrate it. Normally it breaks the first time, so you got to go back, fix it again. Then we set up Zapier. Zapier then takes the leads from the chatbot, puts it into Agent Legend LO. We set up the entire Agent Legend LO system for you and pay your subscription fee for that month. Help you record the ringless voicemails, write all the text messages, do all the copywriting in the emails, and put you into one of our proven sequences. 3 core systems, each worth $2,000 on their own. We're setting the whole thing up. If you're not satisfied in the first 30 days, I'll refund 100% of your money. If after that 30-day mark you're not happy, you can cancel anytime. There's no contract, and you keep everything that we've built for you. It's ridiculous. I cannot offer a guarantee like this without knowing that I can generate business for you. It just doesn't make sense. I lose so much money on the account managers actually doing the work. You have to stick. It's just, there's no other way to show you that I can help you than to absolutely take everything away from you investing in this program right now, which it is time to do. So while you're going to chatbotmortgages.com and investing today, I'll just read you some of these testimonials in the background while you're putting in your credit card information and everything, and getting ready for your account manager to call you to schedule your intake call. So this is Pat. We have a great stream of leads coming through our funnel. Every week we have clients in our office that come from our Facebook marketing. So if you've tried Facebook marketing in the past and nobody came through, we know how to fix that problem for you. This one's from Vaughn. Vaughn is a very intelligent business owner and is a marketing guy, I think, in his blood. So he gets all of this stuff and had taken a number of different information programs on how to do it, and then gone through a couple of agencies, some that were just very broad, and then I think specific to the mortgage industry. And then he found us, and he was in kind of a state of disbelief because we got on the phone with him for 45 minutes and said, okay, we'll be back in 14 days with your campaign done. And he kind of went, aren't you going to badger me with emails every day for, the next month in order to get this thing done? I said, don't worry, we got you. So we get this thing set up, runs the thing for a couple of months, and he sends back to us, finally, results from Facebook. Even though it took some time, our campaigns are generating quality traffic and applications each month. We closed 3 deals last month and already have another 4 in the pipeline this month. And it's hands off. He doesn't have to do anything. He just writes a small check to cash a big check. This is Adriana. We have 442 leads so far. Roughly 18 quality leads have been referred out to our real estate partners. 9 of the leads have been pre-approved, and we feel there's still more to come from the database, which there is. We've been able to use the pre-approvals to set up 4 new relationships with realtors that were not sending us business before. Hope this helps with your presentation. Here's another one from Mel. Mel calculated his ROI over a year-long period of time. Hey Chris, just finished tallying up funding specifically from our Facebook ads. My ROI is 507% for the year. Thanks again for all of your help. That includes our Facebook management fee. So if you take that and you look at, okay, let's just say he's spending $2,000 a month, $1,000 in ads and $1,000 for the management, right? You're paying $997. That investment, for every dollar he puts in, he makes $5.07 back. At scale, you can do the math on what that's doing to his personal income. Here's another one from one of our clients that asked to be anonymous through this process, but he registered 3 apps in the past week, all qualified borrowers from Facebook advertising, and that was an email to his account manager, Bashar, who is absolutely incredible. Here's another one from Tim, who's a branch manager. So he's not only responsible for his own production, but for the production of his branch. It says, Agent Legend, he means Agent Legend LO, is working wonders for my internet leads we've just blurred out the specific campaign that he's in. I've taken 4 apps this week alone from the follow-up system. This program is a beast, which it absolutely is. So if you've struggled to get results from Facebook in the past, today is the day that can change your career forever. We know how to get results from this, and we know that we can help you. So go to chatbotmortgages.com and invest today. One final word that I'll leave you with. If you decide not to invest today and you wake up tomorrow, I want you to go into the office and I want you to sit down and in the back of your mind, think about other times when you knew something was right, but you just didn't do it because you were afraid, right? Let's face it, even though it's just $14.97, it's less than a deal. It's, it's almost $1,500 and there's a lot you can do. I mean, that buys a lot of candy bars and wine, right? There's lots of other things that you can go out and spend that money on in life. But oftentimes, we've all heard the cliche, you have to spend money to make money, but that also is true. But there's a point in your business where you have to take that leap and invest in systems that are going to take you to the next level, right? Business doesn't go like this. It goes like this and then you plateau. Then you have to try something new. You have to do something new to break through that ceiling to get to the next level. So if you're at one of those plateaus, because there's many along our journeys, right? If you're at that plateau and you're thinking, man, I need the next level. I want that extra level of income. I want that next thing. It could be, whatever it is, my education for your children, or you want to make a large donation to your church, or whatever it is, right? There's going to have to be that discomfort that then comes with the reward of the plushness of the, lack of having to chase leads and having an automated system that helps grow your income, right? It's going to be uncomfortable. That's a good thing. The uncomfortableness lets you know that you're on the right path, right? Nobody ever said I got to the top and it was super easy and I didn't have to do anything I didn't like doing, right? But we're here because we're your who. I mean, to figure out how to do this stuff is just constantly going to be uncomfortable. When you invest in us, it's the, 30 seconds of being afraid on an intake form. You fill out your credit card information, and in 90 days, you're going to be in a different place in your business. You're going to have that automated lead flow, and you're going to start building that book of business that's going to come from this asset that you have acquired today. And that's where we want you. So today is the day that you overcome the fear. Make the investment. Don't worry, I've got you with the guarantee. Everything is going to be okay. Today is the day that you invest and make that step to the next level. Let's break through that level together. Let's get you to the next level in your mortgage business, all right? My name is Chris Johnstone, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you on the inside.